Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I make my vegetable fish soup. This is my own style and my own method. I try to make it as healthy as possible, and at the same time I try to make it as simple and detailed so you can be able to learn how to do it yourself. We don't really have a specific way of making a vegetable soup. This is just my own style, the way I do it. So if you want to learn the way I make my own fish vegetable soup, then keep watching and follow me to the kitchen. Bye-bye. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I make a healthy Nigerian vegetable soup. So for this vegetable soup, I'm going to be showing you the ingredients I'm going to be using. And these are things you can find in any grocery store, Walmart, anywhere. It could be the Asian store, the Mexican store, Whole Foods, Food for Less, wherever you want to go. You can find all these items there, except just one thing you can find there, which is I'll show you. I'm going to go ahead and show you the stuff I'm going to use for this soup. I'm going to try to make it as simple as possible and well detailed. Right here, I already have bell pepper, tomatoes, onions, and fresh pepper, all blended together. Here I have my chicken stock. I'm going to use this is a fish vegetable soup. This is my fish I'm going to be using right here. My organic olive oil. That's what I'm using. Crayfish. This is actually the item I'm talking about that you can really find everywhere. So this is almost like a dry shrimp that is blended. But back in Africa, we call it crayfish. So this is what it is. It gives the soup this traditional taste. Using my parsley leaf, using my turmeric, and my garlic. Chicken powder, and of course adding salt to taste. So right now, as you can see in my pot right here, I'm already steaming my vegetable. It's steaming up, as you can see. It's steaming. So I'm gonna wait for it to steam a little bit, then we're gonna go into the tutorial. So right now, as you can see, the vegetable is steamed already. I have my steamer in there. If you can see it's showing a silver steamer. So all I did was put the vegetable on top of the steamer and put it inside the pot with little water and let it heat up for some few minutes. So at this point, I have my pot on the fire now, and I'm waiting for the pot to heat up to be really dry. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add my olive oil, my organic olive oil. So at this time, if you want to use something else, you're free to use whatever you want to use, which is your palm oil, your vegetable oil, or the organic olive oil like I'm using. So it's a matter of choice and preference. So but this is what I'm using today because I'm trying to cut down on a lot of stuff. I'm trying to eat healthy, so I'm using this for this soup. So you don't have to use this. You can use whatever you want to use or whatever you choose to use. with the vegetable soup. Are you ready to see the outcome? Let's go see. So this is the final look. I hope you like it. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video, like, and subscribe. And you can eat this as a normal meal like that, or you can eat it with a baked potato, a mashed potato, fufu, pounded yam, semo, eba. I mean, you can eat this with a lot of stuff. Some people eat this with even bread. So it depends on what you want to eat it with, or you can eat it just like that, you know. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.